Welcome to Our Daily Health. Weight loss. 21 effective weight loss tips for women at home. Do you know that 56.4% of women tried to lose weight compared to men 41.7%? According to research conducted by the National Health and Nutrition Examination Survey, many women struggled with weight problems compared to men. Are you a stay-at-home mother or work from home? Well, not all hope is lost. There are some tips, diet and exercise, that you can employ in your daily routine and result in huge benefits in weight loss at the comfort of your home. Weight loss. 21 effective weight loss tips for women at home. Number 1. Eat more proteins. Eating a protein-packed diet can help you lose weight. Proteins are essential when it comes to weight loss. Studies have shown that eating a high-protein diet can help boost metabolism, reduce cravings, and promote satiety. Experts advise that you consume 0.5 grams and 1.0 grams of protein as per pound of your body weight. Some of the high-protein foods include eggs, meat, beef, chicken, fish, tuna, and pork, whole grains, legumes, chickpeas, lentils, cottage cheese, quinoa. Number 2, jog, walk, or run. It goes a long way. Actually, no equipment is needed. Besides, it's a perfect way of exercising if you are an absolute beginner. These exercises are easy to incorporate into your daily routine. You can do them anywhere. It can be outdoors or in your home, if you have a treadmill or a big compound. If you are starting, exercise 20 to 30 minutes daily, 3 to 4 times a week. Number 3, drink plenty of water. It may sound so simple, but yes, water can help you lose weight. Well, drinking lots of water can increase the burning of calories by 30% after 30 to 40 minutes of consumption. According to research, taking a glass of water before meals can promote weight loss by boosting satiety, reducing calorie consumption by 13%. Number 4, eat more fiber. Fiber is a plant-based carbohydrate that is not easily digestible. Which are the foods that contain fiber? Fiber-containing foods include plant-based foods like vegetables and fruits, nuts, and cereals. Fiber can aid in weight loss by keeping you full longer, resulting in fewer calorie consumption and promoting fat burning. Number 5, intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting is a program where you interchange between fasting and eating. Research has proved intermittent fasting to be a great way of losing weight. It is not restrictive when it comes to calorie consumption, and it is easy, effective, and convenient. Most people prefer using it for weight loss as it is straightforward to follow, though it requires discipline. Intermittent fasting may lower the loss of muscle mass related to a low-carb diet. Number 6, take green tea. That's right, green tea has many benefits to your body, and one of them is weight loss. It may contain caffeine, but it has powerful antioxidants known as catechins, which help burn fat. Green tea makes your body's metabolism more efficient. You can take green tea either as a supplement or as a beverage. Number 7, cut down on sugar in sweetened beverages. Are you a sweet tooth? Well, if you want to cut those kilos, you have to ditch sugar, soda, and artificial fruit juices. Sugar has been linked with obesity. Take water in place of soda. Try infuse. Put fruit slices, i.e. kiwi and lemon, in your water if you find water tasteless. Number 8, avoid refined carbohydrates. Refined carbohydrates are foods that have been stripped of their nutritional and fibrous parts. Examples include pasta, white bread, and flour. Consumption of refined carbs leads to a sudden rise in blood sugars, causing cravings, hunger, and increased appetite. Number 9, use smaller plates. It may sound awkward, but it helps. If you use a big plate, then your meal will be big too. Consider using smaller plates as it will help you eat smaller portions. It will also help you get used to eating smaller amounts without going hungry. It takes about 20 minutes for the stomach to inform the brain that it is full. So eat slowly and stop eating before feeling full. If you are enjoying this video, then please like, comment, share, and subscribe to Our Daily Health. Number 10, adequate sleep is an effective weight loss tip for women. Have you noticed that when you are sleepy, you eat more? Based on research, sleep-deprived people produce high levels of ghrelin, a hormone liable for appetite stimulation. If you are well rested, you may control your appetite, hence making your weight loss journey easier. Number 11, keep a food journal. Research demonstrates that people who log everything they eat, especially those who log while they are eating, are more likely to lose weight for the long haul. The habit takes less than 15 minutes per day on average. You can use a regular notebook to help you stay accountable for what you have eaten. Number 12, eat a heavy meal in the morning. Start your day with a proper breakfast. Consume a protein-packed meal for breakfast. An egg breakfast will do the trick. Eggs are perfect for weight loss as they are high in proteins. They keep you full longer, thus minimizing the number of calories you take and promoting fat burning. Number 13, put healthy foods in sight. Oh yes, keeping healthy foods around you will keep you from snacking on unhealthy foods. Pour cereals in clear jars and store fresh vegetables in your fridge. As simple as it may seem, it will go a long way in your weight loss. Foods to keep in sight include whole fruits, nuts, vegetables, baby carrots, broccoli and cauliflower, boiled eggs, apples. Number 14, consume more fruits and vegetables. Consumption of more vegetables and fruits is a perfect weight loss tip for women. Fruits and vegetables have lots of fiber. These fill you up more, reducing your intake of calories and boosting fat burning. Fruits and vegetables contain minerals, vitamins, and fiber, which are suitable for overall health. Number 15, avoid stress. Stress can make you crave unhealthy foods, causing your weight to increase. Also increases your appetite. Excessive stress can cause your body to produce cortisol, a hormone liable for regulating metabolism. If made in large amounts, it may slow down metabolism, lowering the calories your body burns. Strive to avoid stress, as it will have a positive impact if you want to lose weight. Number 16, eat healthy food. A balanced diet comprises meals with whole grains, fruits, vegetables, and proteins. This will provide the nutrients and energy you need. Eating a balanced diet helps you consume fewer calories throughout the day and keeps your weight in check. Number 17, do cardio, aerobic exercises. Yes, you heard it right. Cardiovascular or aerobic exercises are great when it comes to weight loss. Cardio exercises increase your heart rate, resulting in fat burning. Studies have shown that incorporating aerobic exercises into your daily routine can help in weight loss, especially if combined with a healthy diet. These activities include jumping jacks, skipping rope, squat jacks, mountain climber, push-ups, burpees. Number 18, adopt a smoothie habit. How will smoothies help me lose weight, you ask? Well, here is the truth. Smoothies are loaded with nutrients and fibers from vegetables and fruits that boost satiety. You may add protein powder, Greek yogurt, or nuts. Cashew nuts work well. You can enjoy smoothies at any time of the day, breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Smoothies are suitable for fast weight loss, increased levels of energy, and improved skin complexion. Number 19, take healthy weight loss supplements. Another weight loss tip for women is supplements, especially if you do not have time for exercise. It may be a controversial topic, but healthy supplements are available in food stores or pharmacies that can help you lose weight. Go for those with natural ingredients. You can know this by reading the label or inquiring from your pharmacist or doctor. Ask your doctor or pharmacist about which supplements work best for you. Number 20, take smaller portions more often. If you thought that skipping meals could help you lose weight, then you are wrong. Skipping meals could have a negative impact and make you add more weight or remain with the same. The perfect way is to have your 3 meals a day: breakfast, lunch, and dinner. If you feel hungry in the day, snack on healthy snacks like apples, nuts, strawberries, blueberries, and seeds. Number 21, adopt the 80-20 rule. The 80-20 rule means eating healthy foods 80% of your time and eating unhealthy foods 20% of your time. This way, you will indulge in your favorite foods. If you do not like your current healthy diet plan, you will find it hard to stick to it. Remember that weight loss is a long-time commitment. To avoid feeling deprived of your favorite foods, switch to the 80-20 rule. The bottom line: weight loss tips for women are so many and are easy to follow. However, small and simple changes to your lifestyle can help you cut some pounds. Aim to drink plenty of water, exercise regularly, and eat healthily. You can implement some of these tips, and I assure you, you will be on the right track to your weight loss journey. What is your favorite weight loss tip? Comment your answer below. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more health and wellness topics, please subscribe to Our Daily Health.